Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The highly anticipated Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise set sail on November 13 and made a big splash among patrons. A vibrant reggae event on the sea with philanthropy to top it off.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Cruise organizers have donated hundreds of books to the Jamaica Library Service. While being welcomed to experience Jamaican entertainment and culture on the week-long voyage, cruisers were asked to take along books for donation to the Otorius branch of the Jamaica Library Service. Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid was selected to make the presentation to Merlene Walker, Regional Director of the Jamaica Library Service.
The St. Anne Parish Library was established in 1947. It has grown into one parish library and 11 branch libraries.
Miss Walker, in a news release, thanked the organizers of the Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise for their generous donation of children's books. She stated that these donations and others like this are what assist the Jamaica Library Service in fulfilling its mission. The Welcome to Jamrock Cruise, spearheaded by Damien Jr. Gong Marley, is now at its fourth staging. Things are looking up for DJ Nika. The disc jock will finally be able to undergo his life-saving kidney operation. Dancehall artists had joined forces to help raise funds for the popular sound system selector through the staging of a charity event dubbed Dancehall for a Cause. Now, after last Saturday's successful show, the disc jock has managed to generate enough money to cover medical fees for his pending operation in Cuba. The E-Prime team sends our very best wishes. Now on the international scene, soul R&B singer Beyonce was deemed Forbes magazine's highest paid woman in music for 2017. Queen Bee reportedly earned $105 million in pre-tax income from June 2016 to June of this year. Now that's accredited to the release of the diva's hit album Lemonade, along with her Formation World Tour, which reportedly grossed a staggering $25 million. Mrs. Carter snatched the title from pop singer Taylor Swift, who held the crown in 2016. Swift falls into third place after earning $44 million, and Adele finished second with $69 million. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.